Aucto support team here. In this video, I'll walk you through how to correctly catalog mixed lots, also known as bulk lots, one of the easiest ways to improve sell-through, especially for spare parts. A well-titled and clearly grouped lot helps buyers understand what they're getting, and it keeps our marketplace clean and searchable. When you're dealing with boxes, shelves, or bins full of parts, cataloging them as mixed lots saves time and makes your listings attractive to large buyers. Instead of uploading 50 items that may take months to sell, combine them into category-based, clear listings with a proper title. It's all about helping buyers see value at a glance. You can always check the Aucto category list on Aucto.com to see how similar items are grouped. Matching your lot to the right category helps buyers find it faster and increases your chance of a sale. If you're selling a fixed quantity of identical parts, enter that number in the quantity field, but don't add it to the title. Example, selling 3 identical Allen Bradley PowerFlex 755 drives, title it Allen Bradley PowerFlex 755 AC drive. If your parts are assorted or uncountable, use bulk quantity of in the title. Example, bulk quantity of assorted bearings. That tells buyers it's a mixed lot, not identical parts, but grouped by type or category. Use bulk quantity of only when items are mixed, assorted, or can't be counted accurately. Add a list of parts as a file under Media tab, or for smaller lots, list assets and quantity in the description. Fleet, machinery, and process equipment must always be listed individually, one per listing. When you have dozens of small parts, group them by Aucto category to improve sell-through. For even better targeting, narrow down to a specific category. Example, use bulk quantity of centrifugal pumps instead of bulk quantity of pumps. This makes your catalog easier to browse and helps bulk buyers find what they need faster. You can explore full category structures anytime at Aucto.com. Categories to find the best match for your listings. Let's recap. For identical parts, use inventory class and fill the quantity field. For assorted parts, title as bulk quantity of category name. Always match the correct Aucto category for visibility. Fleet assets should be listed individually only. And don't mix random items in one lot. Keep it tight to marketplace category. And that's how you catalog and title bulk lots. It keeps your lists organized, helps buyers find what they need faster, and improves your overall sell-through.